Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to connect this Realme phone to TV. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First let me go to TV. In TV go to settings, select the settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Here you can see I have connected this TV to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. If you don't have Wi-Fi router, then you can use mobile hotspot. After connecting this TV to Wi-Fi network, let me go to mobile phone. In mobile phone, first go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Here you can see I have connected this mobile phone to same Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi 2024. So this is very important. We have to connect both mobile phone and TV to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Let me start method 1. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connection and sharing. Go to screencast. Tap here. On top you can see search for display devices. Tap on that. Now it's searching for display devices. Please wait. Okay, done. See, mobile phone has detected all TVs in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see Google TV, Android TV, Google TV. This is the name of this TV. Tap on this TV name, Google TV. Tap on start now. See, method 1 is working. If you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation in mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. That way we can switch display to full screen in both TV and mobile phone. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to settings, screencast. Here on top you can see stop screencast. Tap on that. Done. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. In mobile phone open Google Play Store. Tap on this icon, Play Store icon. Then install this app, Google Home app. I already installed this Google Home app. Let me open it. Tap on open. Then log in with the Gmail ID and the password. I already logged in. Then tap on this devices tab. Tap here. You can see Google Home app has detected all TVs in the same Wi-Fi network. You can see Google TV, Android TV. Tap on this TV name Google TV. Then tap on customize screen. Tap on cast screen. Tap on start now. See, method 2 also working. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again go to Google Home app. Then tap on stop mirroring. Done. So these are the two methods. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.